Okay, so you turn it on. It'll be 0. Put the bigger bowl on. It shows the thing. Then you hit the on button again till it goes to 0. Have the boiling water over here. You just pour the water in until it gets to 75 grams. Make sure it's on the G, the grams. If it's not, hit this unit button. If it's 76, that's fine. I have a hard time getting it right on 75. And you set that off to the side. Hit the 0 button so it goes to 0 again. Put the little container on. Hit the tare button again so it goes to 0. And then I use the tablespoon one for this. This you only need 25 of. So then, oh, see it's on 27. I'll just scoop a little bit out. Now it's back to 25. Take that off. Just slide this back there. These like this. And then this is the thing. And you check the, make sure it's on Fahrenheit. You check the water. Right now it's at 138. Still a little too hot to mix it yet, so if you stir it, a lot of times it'll cool it down. You'll want a spoon. I don't know if I should pause it while we're waiting. Yeah, I'll pause it. We got like 4 more degrees before it comes down. Okay, so I screwed around and got it to 125, but that's fine. Like between 125 and 130. And then you just pour that in. And then mix it up. Just stir it. It's gonna look like that. And then you gotta wait until this gets to like 1. So right now it's 117. I'll wait till it gets to like 115 before I put it in the syringe. Okay, so I checked it and it's 116. You gotta kind of move it around. I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I put it in the syringe. Even then, I'll just let it cool in the syringe a little longer. I just take it and loop it right down in there. It gets a little bit messy. I'll wipe that off before I feed her. I just kind of let it drop in there like that. And I fill it almost all the way to the top. And then if this squishes you out, you don't have to do that. But, wipe that off. And then you just put this in here, but you want to make sure that you get it all the way down, do the first little push, because otherwise it'll squirt that stuff down her throat. So you want it in there a little bit, and then you just keep checking the temperature, like Here it's 109, so it's ready. As long as it's between 1.5, 1.12, you're good to feed her. So she's at 110, so now I'm gonna go in and feed her. So you see she'll come right down. And then I just put it on the right side. And see how she flaps her wing and does a little head bobbing thing? That's a baby bird. So right now it's going straight into her crop. I just go real slow. Trying to make it so you can see her body language a little better. And see, she took it out of her mouth, but yet she still wants it. See the little wing shake? That's behavior of baby birds. Grown adult birds don't normally do that, but Ruby's relearning. Huh. And now she's like taking her mouth off of it. See, she took her mouth completely off of it, but she'll come back to it. And I just give her a little more. And she did a little baby bird thing, but she's also just taking little sips. Let's see. I'll see if I can move it to the other side here. Alright, I don't know if you can see it pretty good. It's hard to position the camera. I'm just doing a little slow. See how I'm, oh, you can't see that. Arthur, are you busy? Trying to reposition it so you could see. I don't know what your dad's doing, but see how I'm putting it? Let me see if I can yell for him again. Pause. Oh well. But I'm just trying to get it to where he can see how I'm putting it in her. Ruby, why are you pushing so hard? Oh, this has been the most effed up feeding. Alright, take it back and push pause, and then I'll just put it back on when I do the boop boop. Hey. Dad's gonna try to do the boop boop. Boop boop. Well, you have it all wadded up.
Hold on, let me fold it properly so we can...
And then lay it in your hand like this and let her lay her beak right in it.
Okay.
Let Dad do the boop boop.
Boop boop.
Yeah, good job.
Yeah.
Oh, good job. Oh, you took it.
Yep. See?
And that's what she'll do. She nail you?
No, but just let him know you gotta be easy.
And you have to be easy, and she'll try to take it from you. Let her squeeze it in her mouth. And if she walks away, or if it's too intimidating for you, because that beak is intimidating, just let her face be dirty. She'll wash it in the water, or Dad can try to do it later.
Yeah, and